We owe a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile scientific discovery could have been made. This is the quote from Albert Einstein. So, children, let's learn some amazing facts about our country, India. India was one of the richest countries till the time of British rule in the early 17th century. Christopher Columbus, attracted by India's wealth, had come looking for a sea route to India when he discovered America by mistake. The art of navigation and navigating was born in the Sil River Sindh over 6,000 years ago. The very word navigation is derived from the Sanskrit word navgat. The word navy is also derived from the Sanskrit word no. Bhaskaracharya rightly calculated the time taken by the earth to orbit the sun hundreds of years before the astronomer Smart. According to his calculation, the time taken by the earth to orbit the sun was 365.258756484 days. What a precision! The value of pi was first calculated by the Indian mathematician Budhayana. Algebra, trigonometry, and calculus also originated in India. Until 1896, India was the only source of diamonds in the world. Sushruta is regarded as the father of surgery. Over 2600 years ago, Sushruta and his team conducted complicated surgeries like cataract, artificial limbs, cesareans, fractures, urinary stones, plastic surgery, and brain surgeries. Usage of anesthesia was also well known in ancient Indian medicine. Detailed knowledge of anatomy, embryology, digestion, metabolism, physiology, etiology, genetics, and immunity is also found in many ancient Indian texts. The four religions born in India, Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism, are followed by 25% of the world's population. Martial arts were first created in India and later spread to Asia by Buddhist missionaries. And yoga has its origins in India and has existed for over 5,000 years. So, children, we learned so many things today about our dear country, India. Okay, bye.